Everything you're watching right now wasn't edited by a professional. It wasn't made by a team. It wasn't even edited manually. You can create videos like this too. Today, I'll show you exactly how to edit premium cinematic videos using AI, 100% free, even if you have never edited a video before. All you would need is your phone, my prompt document, and Google Omni Flash. Let me show you exactly how.
Now, the first thing you need to do is to secure your recording. You can either do a recording with yourself, that's a normal camera recording, or you can use an AI generated recording. But the thing about your recording is that it has to be not more than 20 seconds in duration. For this test, I'm going to be using this particular generation here I made of myself that is 8 seconds long. Okay, go on labs.google and then you're going to access Google Flow. It opens like this. You're going to click create with Google Flow and then select an email address to sign up. Once you sign up, they give you 50 free Google Flow credits every day. That's what we are going to use for generation. So what we are going to do is we're going to click here and click a new project. And in this place where it says upload, you're going to click the button and you're going to select your video and you're going to press done. It's going to ask you if you agree for your video to be uploaded and you're going to say yes, I agree. So now the video has been uploaded. I've made this process so easy and fine-tuned the prompt so that you don't have any problem. Now coming over here, you're going to press the plus button and you're going to select that video you just uploaded, okay? And you're going to click add to prompt. Once it's added to prompt, you're going to go over to this version right here and you're going to make sure you're not in the agent mode. You're going to be straight on video mode. Look at the parameters, very important. You're going to set it to video, ingredients, choose the aspect ratio. For this case, it is 16:9. Leave it to 1. Select Omni Flash, extremely important, and leave it at length based on ingredients. That means the video is going to generate for you is going to be based on the video you uploaded, okay? So the next thing to do now is we are going to go and access my prompts.
Now, if you want the exact prompt I used, drop the words AI editing in the comments and I'll send it straight to you.
My prompt document opens like this, okay? You see everything like this. Now, once you want to copy it, you just click it like this and copy the prompt all the way to the end and copy it, right? Then we're going to go back to Google Flow and we are going to paste the prompt. Please note that you can edit this prompt the way you want. If you want some more things to be in your edited video, you can tell the AI to do that. So with all these parameters, everything uploaded, you just press the send button and it's going to cost us 20 credits. This is going to take some time to generate. And when the video is done, it looks like this.
If you want more exciting tutorials like this, consider subscribing to this channel so you get to see them first.
I think it generated beautifully. I think it generated perfectly and it's amazing, all right? So now, if you want to string all these videos together, it's just so easy. Change whatever browser you're using to the desktop site. Changing it to a desktop site is going to give you access to more capabilities. And what you're going to do is you're going to press the plus button here and you see where it says add clip. You're going to add all the other clips that you generated. You know, can you see? When you see add clip, you can see it has added. So through this, all the cuts that you made in your original video, you can just add them all up together and you're going to tell your video is going to be fully edited. And once you're done, you just press the download button over here and you have a complete video.
Drop the words AI editing in the comments. And if you want to go even deeper, I've got 2 videos linked right below this one that will teach you something even cooler. Go watch those next.